So that's what's fun about here. Like they have stock cats, stock like headers, aftermarket stuff. There's a ton of fun stuff here. So they have like OEM, like some OEM stuff, because you know your space is so limited that, okay, cool, I want to put an aftermarket exhaust on my car. Well, they don't keep their stock exhaust. They sell it. So you can find stock exhaust, stock taillights, stock headlights, everything, which is cool. And then you also, on top of that, when they go to swap parts out, they swap out the aftermarket stuff too. So then you get the used stuff later on. So it's the best of both worlds. Price-wise, it's pretty good. It's not actually bad. It, of course, depends on what you're looking at, but the price really isn't bad. I find good stuff. It's just, if you're lucky enough to find what you need for your specific application, that of course is what's a little harder. And it does take it takes a little hunting, but like over my shoulder, here, let me flip you guys around and show you. Like, look, all ECUs. Like, they have a bunch of chipped ECUs and everything else for a bunch of different models. Like, that's cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep running through. I haven't found anything yet for the EK, but I'll keep showing you guys stuff. As long as they're not playing music, I'll just spin you guys around and show you kind of what's on all the different shelves. Oh, just had an EK9 go by. Maybe he'll sell something I want. Maybe he'll come in and drop it off, and I can just pick it right back up. But let me keep looking around. I'll let you guys know if I find anything, and I'll keep showing you guys what's out here. All right, guys. So we're over in the wheel and tire section. Let me run you guys through, show you what they have over here. They have some like pre-packaged stuff that's already like mounted, and then they have loose wheels. So let me take you upstairs, see what we can find. Last time I was here, I found some really nice Advans for like a good price. So again, if it's something you can ship, like, let's see what we can find up here. Let me flip you guys around and show you some of the stuff. It looks like there's a bunch of OEM stuff up here this time. But we'll run down the row and see what we see. Got some CEs down there. I think that's what they are. Yep. Let's see if there's anything in this row. Some work motions. Little rash on them. These look pretty clean. And check it out. These are super clean. Some two-tone TEs. Tokyo Time Attack Edition. Damn, look at those. Lexus LC500Hs. But that's kind of the thing when you come out here. There's always like this mix, and it's it's just always constantly changing, because you know it's coming and going. Everybody comes out here looking for something, so you got to kind of get lucky or come out all the time. Like, these are pretty cool, the Work RSs. Here, I don't know that they have a set of 4. I only see 2, so it's probably just, yeah, see, set of 2. But I mean, if you're in the market and that's what you were looking for, that's not bad. They're cheap. You guys can do that conversion. But for 2 wheels, they look like they're in good condition, not all messed up. That's not bad. It's like 200 and something bucks a wheel. Like, that's nothing. But they have a couple upstairs sections here. They have the downstairs package section. Just have to be careful. They are doing work, so like, you definitely don't want to get in the way of things. But this was their like wheel and tire section. They have lug nuts, they have spacers, they have everything. It's really cool. So if you need something specific for your car, you can come out and hunt. You can just come and look, you know, of course you get to sell stuff or whatever else. Let me show you this one BBS that's out here. So they got a set of used BBSs. This one here is bent so bad. Can you guys see that on video? How bad it's just dipped and bent. Like, I mean, you know, they blew out the tire, but they must have hit a curb or something. That thing is just so blown out. But oh, look at that little Vito bus. There, check it out. Never know what you're gonna see. That's cool. We'll go back inside. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna see if I can show you some stuff upstairs. Then we'll go up through like the motorcycle and like the body part area and see what we can find. So let's head upstairs and see what we can see. So they have a motorcycle section, like bicycles and motorcycles. You see they got a whole bicycle section too. So, I mean, if you're doing some mountain biking, road biking, they have everything, pedal sets. They've got helmets, motorcycle helmets. They have a bunch of motorcycle gear, so just like downstairs, here, let me go over the aisle, just like downstairs. Look, all the exhaust and everything else for your motorcycles. They have motorcycle engines up here too. Wow. Okay. I usually don't spend too much time in the motorcycle section, but they got everything. They got fairings, they got basically anything you want, which is pretty cool. Like, it's a one-stop shop for any like enthusiast type stuff. We're gonna go up a level. Let me usually it's like body parts up here, like hoods and like bigger pieces. So let's go up and take a look and see what we can find up here. But so I mean, if this is your first time seeing UpGarage, this is kind of how it goes. Bunch of used parts, a ton of stuff to pick through. A lot of good stuff. Sometimes it's okay stuff, so you got to kind of pick and choose what you want. Let's see what they have up here today. So they got a bunch of wheels and tires up here. It's ever changing. Like every time I come up here, it's hilarious. So like they got a bunch of wheels and tires up here. Usually it's like hoods and like the body panels and stuff in the back. I'm sure this music's gonna trip, so I'll try and just show you some of this stuff real quick. All right, so we were in there so long, it's dark outside. But we all found stuff. I didn't find anything specific, well, kind of specific for the EK. I found the little like Greddy hoodie cover, the little shift knob hoodie that they make. So they had them and they were super cheap. They were like, I don't know, $6 each or something. So I bought a couple. I had already bought one at Tokyo Auto Salon, but I bought an extra one just so I had one. So I did get a little something, you know, that's always cool. Didn't get coilovers, that's what I was looking for. But you guys, let me know what you think. Like I said, UpGarage is always a fun spot to go to, even if you just look around at stuff or see what cars come in and out. But that's it for now. We're gonna head out to the next spot. You guys let us know what you think, and thanks.